What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? All right, guys. So as you guys can see, today I'm going to be installing this glueless ginger curly unit. This wig is just so beautiful, so raw, so bomb, and I just cannot wait to just give you guys all the tea and details on this unit. So if you are ready to see how we slay and style this wig, definitely keep on watching. So today's video is in collaboration with Megalook. This is their packaging, and these are the gifts that they did go ahead and send me with my wig. So thank you, Megalook. This is the wig as you guys saw earlier. This is how the construction of the inside is, which I love that because it doesn't have any combs and my hair is really sensitive. So it was just a nice breathable wig. I did go ahead and put on my wig cap with my cream foundation on my cap and on the wig, and now we're just gonna put her on. So I did go ahead and pluck her off camera. She's so cute, guys. It's giving. So you guys know how like those 5x5 closures come with that extra lace on the side. Cut that off just so you have like a really flat lay down. And then I did go ahead and cut off the excess lace on camera, off camera. So I cut it off, and now I'm just spraying a little bit of my even lace spray right on my fingers and literally just getting it to like kind of make that lace lay down and melt into my skin, if that makes any sense. So that was just a little bit of spray just to make sure, you know, the lace is laying down. Then I'm going to tie it down with their elastic band. I did leave it on for like 25 minutes, but it looked like I left it on for 2 seconds. I didn't. So yeah, today, because it's a 5x5 closure, the lace is a little bit smaller, so I was able to do a nice deep middle part. But if you want to do like a side part, you're just gonna have to tilt that wig to the side, my girl. But yeah, I'm just gonna take my hot comb and, you know, make sure my wig is nice and flat. That's how I'm gonna get that nice salon finish, natural install. Then I'm gonna pull out my edges. I really wanted my edges to be nice, thin, and airy, but still dramatic because this is like colored curly hair, and you know, we just wanted to give. So I pulled out the edges, and then I'm just taking a tweezer to it to thin it out even more so they're nice and airy and they're not just like chunky thick edges on my forehead. So here we're just gonna cut at an angle. As you see, the video is moving pretty fast because this is a quick and easy glueless install. So I'm going to take my 1/2 inch flat iron and I'm just going to curl under because that is just how I like my edges. It just comes out so much easier like that for me. I'm going to curl her under just like this. I'm going to take my mousse. If you're going to use any mousse, make sure the mousse does not have any alcohol because that is going to make your lace lift up. So after I pre-comb my edges how I want them to lay down, then I take my mousse and just mold her into, it was just so easy because we curled it with our 1/2 inch flat iron, and I just love a wig that is just so easy. Like, it doesn't fight back. It's not giving me any problems. Like, guys, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Like, guys, period. Just, yeah, get the wig. More details on this wig will be down below in the description box with purchasing links, promo codes, everything. I genuinely really love this wig. I love the color. I love the lace and how thin the lace was. But honestly, my favorite thing about this wig is the fact that it didn't have any combs. That is just so amazing for me. I deal with breakage in the back of my hair and sometimes on the sides. So because it didn't have any combs, I just knew my hair was nice and safe. But it's nice and snug on my head, so I was never worried that my wig was going to fall off. So it's just a perfect balance. But if you are someone that needs combs, you can go ahead and, you know, put a comb, like sew them, because they sell them at the beauty supply store. So anyways, I did go ahead to my edges and define my part with the same cream foundation in shade 09 from Ruby Kiss. And here I'm just wetting the hair. So you can wear the hair big. It's beautiful big, but I wanted to define the curls, okay, because I was going to brunch and this was just a perfect brunch look. So if you guys want to see how I did my makeup, you'll see at the end of the video. But if you want to see how I did my makeup and just how we styled this wig and everything like that for brunch, definitely stay tuned for that video. Subscribe to my channel and, you know, all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm taking my diffuser and we're just giving the curls a little bit more body yaddy yaddy, giving the curls a little bit more life. And yeah, this hair is just so freaking bomb. Absolutely obsessed. Thank you so much to Megalook for sending me this beautiful unit. I love Megalook. You guys know I work with Megalook so much because they really are a high quality company and they're very affordable in my opinion. You're not spending, you know, too much money on your wigs, and you're also getting quality. So Megalook is always going to be a 5-star yes from me. So this is what the wig is looking like. As you guys saw in the beginning of the video, this wig is just so bomb. I love it. I love the hair wet. I love the hair dry. I love the hair in all stages. So like I said, all the information will be down below in the description box so you guys can purchase this wig. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys so much. Can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.